This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download JetBrains Toolbox. So I'm right here on the JetBrains Toolbox main downloads page. You can find it at jetbrains.com/toolbox-app. Now I will put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and wind up here, and you don't need to go searching or anything like that. Now it will know what machine you're on. Right here it's correctly identified that I'm on Mac OS with Apple Silicon, but if you click this drop down right here, there's a few other options. So if you're on a Windows machine, you can get the execute file right here. They even have an ARM64 right here. You can get the Intel chip version for Mac OS, and there are also 2 Linux versions as well. So let's stick with the Apple Silicon version, and we are going to click on that one, and just like that it will automatically download. If it doesn't start automatically, you can click this direct link option right here. Now depending on your browser, it will go to your downloads folder indicated by the browser where your files and folders are normally saved. For example, I'm on Google Chrome right here on my Mac, so it goes to my Mac downloads folder. Your download location might vary, but hopefully you found this video on how to find and download the JetBrains Toolbox app. If you have found it useful, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like